Right, so we're at this job here today. Beautiful tear out. That's what we're working with. Got a lot of work to do. All these floors are gonna come up. What's up, y'all? Malik back here again. You see the title of this video. No intro. We're going straight into this one. These rails came off on accident. We're gonna put these back up. Don't look down. We're gonna fix this gazebo. Take a look at that. So, rail caps. Fascia on the side of the deck. Fascia on the gazebo. And that's how we're rocking. So there it is. All we're doing is the floors, the rail caps, and the fascia, all the trim around the deck and the gazebo on both those decks. This deck's about 25 years old, 20, give or take, man. It was old deck, a lot wrong with it. The frame was actually in decent condition. I wanted to do the rails too so bad, but he just didn't want to do the rails, and that's no big deal. We're out in West Bloomfield for this one, which is one of the richest counties in the nation. The guy who owns this deck, he also was a builder in his youth, and he actually built all the houses that you see in this video. This was his subdivision, so it was pretty cool to come over here and work with this guy, learn some new things here and there. I did not get as much time-lapse footage that I would have liked for this project, but we do got some shots here and there, just kind of showing you guys the process and the production. You know, the team members, everybody out there doing their job, doing their piece. Now you can take a look at this wood. We got some cedar wood right here, and we normally don't use cedar because it's about 2 times the price of the pine in this area, give or take. Most people aren't really, looking for it, but of course, on the higher end customers in the higher end areas, you're gonna put in some of the premium stuff. As you can see, everything is going smooth so far. It's probably taken us about a week to get to this point as far as all the boards up, all the boards back down. Now there's just little things here and there that we had to get to. And this was a final completion for the floors. Looks like we still got some handrail left to do here. But man, out of nowhere, I just got hit with a big storm. I was the last one on the job site getting my video, my film, and nature just wasn't having it that day. So I wasn't having it either, though. As you can see, we still got what we needed to get. Rebuild is complete, fascia's all good, everything looks nice and pretty, but you guys know I'm not happy with it until we put that sauce on the deck. It makes 0 sense to rebuild a beautiful deck using premium wood just to leave it uncovered. So definitely recommended the sealer to the customer, the stain to the customer rather. And we went ahead and stained it. Looks fantastic. Now the stain process took us about 2.5 days, a whole day and a half to spray, and then a whole day to do all these floors. So it was a lot more than I anticipated, but really it's a lot more difficult because underneath this deck you have concrete. We're using the oil-based stain. This stuff, you don't want no kind of paint or stain to get on concrete, especially the oil, because it don't like to come out. But here you go, here's our finished product. As you can see right here, all 3 phases. I mean, we started with this grandpa wood, old dirty deck, man. Y'all know how it is. And we did this to it, man. You can put the fascia on there. You could have did like a little clear coat on there to make it look good. Here's our budget breakdown. So the total bid for this project was $16,000. The materials and labor came out to about a little bit over $11K for a total profit of somewhere right around $4,500. Now I did bid this a lot higher originally. It's early in the year, so I'm trying to get things on the schedule. I'm trying to get us booked and rolling. You see all these guys working out here. I'm trying to keep enough work for everybody. So I'm giving really handsome prices. On top of that, you see how old this deck is. You see how it looks. I know that if we can take this, we can turn it into thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not millions with this one deck alone if we do it properly. My original bid was around $19,000, give or take. He also wanted to add in a little bit more work, like leveling that gazebo. We power washed all the concrete around the house. So we did a lot for this customer, and I'm very glad that we did it. because more work came off of it, of course. But the point is, do not be short-sighted when it comes to these projects. I mean, we were on the phone negotiating the deal. He's like, hey man, can we do it for this price? Please don't let this stop us from doing business. He's a master negotiator. Sold me. Great. We got it done. We still made a handsome profit on it. Keep moving to the next job. We got more jobs lined up from this one with even greater profit margins. I know Ricky Bobby and them get 50K for the deck, but hey, it's in our business portfolio for life. It's on this YouTube channel for life. It's gonna be a marketing tool going forward. Sign up for a one-on-one consultation with me. The price for the consultations will be going up $50 every single video. So right now it's the cheapest you will ever find it. We will go over everything from A to Z as far as what you need to do to get some bucks in your business, to get some bucks in your pocket, to get things rolling. Online presence, bids, sales, production, team building, everything. Spend that little piece of change now. You're gonna learn how to make millions for the rest of your life. Appreciate you watching. Till next time. Peace.